You spend 1/3 of your life here. Soft, comfortable, it feels safe, right? But what if I told you that the orthopedic bed you paid thousands of dollars for is actually bending your spine a little more every single night? In the Western world, we believe the softer the better. But look at the people who live the longest and age the healthiest in the world. Japan. Even 80-year-olds walk upright, straight like arrows. What's their secret? Expensive medication? No. Their secret is where they sleep at night, the ground. Why do they sleep on the floor? To understand that, you need to understand gravity. When you lie on a soft mattress, the heaviest parts of your body, your hips and shoulders, sink in. Your spine turns into a banana. You stay misaligned all night long. But the ground doesn't play favorites. It's firm. It doesn't swallow you. It pushes back. That upward force drives your spine into its natural alignment. The ground is the most honest chiropractor on earth. In this video, we're throwing beds out the window. We'll look at the surprising scientific benefits of sleeping on the floor and how you can try it safely without waking up tomorrow feeling paralyzed. Let's begin. The problem isn't the bed. The problem is us. The human body evolved for over 2 million years sleeping on hard surfaces. Those soft foams we call comfort are an invention of the last 100 years. Biologically, your body is still looking for that hard cave floor. And there's a hidden workout involved. Think about it. Getting out of bed requires almost no muscle strength. You just fall out, assisted by gravity. But getting up from the floor, that's a full squat. An elderly person in Okinawa unknowingly performs about 700 squats a year just by lying down and standing up every morning and evening. That's the secret to hip mobility and longevity. They don't go to the gym. Their life is the gym. But wait, do not close this video and throw yourself onto the carpet right now. If you're unprepared, you won't thank me tomorrow morning. You'll curse me. Your muscles have adapted to soft beds and grown lazy. For the first 3 days, your body will fight the floor. We call this the detox effect. So how should you start if you want to wake up like a samurai? Rule number 1, layers. Never sleep directly on concrete. Place a yoga mat on the floor, then a thick blanket on top. Our goal is not hard, it's firm. Rule number 2, shrink your pillow. When sleeping on the floor, you don't need massive pillows. Your neck naturally aligns, so even your arm or a thin towel can be enough. Now for the biggest biohacking secret: temperature. Warm air rises. When you sleep in a bed, you're in the warmest layer of the room, but on the floor, it's cooler. Science shows that your body temperature must drop for deep sleep to begin. The floor is your natural air conditioner. The result? A straighter spine, free morning exercise, and deeper sleep. I tried it. By day 7, my back pain was completely gone. Now it's your turn. Don't sell your bed. Just try the firmest surface in your home tonight. And if you're brave enough, write "I'm trying it too" in the comments. Let's see how many people are willing to leave their comfort zone. And if you're curious about the next video, don't forget to follow.